Check it out here.
Yes!
Shing.
Full send. Show them how it's done.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, my name is Gabe Cruz. Who are you?
What?
Yeah, that's him. And we're here today for another extraordinary episode of Skate Everything. You may have seen the Hot Wheels skateboard, where someone glued tons of Hot Wheels on a board, and then we skated it. And you may have also seen the episode where Uzi himself created a tech deck skateboard, where he took tech deck and put it that way and skated that. Now we're here to up the ante. We have Braille Skateboarding custom handboards from Hand Skate, and we're gonna put these on the bottom of the skateboard just like this and see how they hold up in the wild wilderness of a skateboard.
True. Let me see.
Do you have any predictions, Uzi?
I think it's gonna work better than the tech deck board.
Okay, my question for you is, are you doing 3? You gotta do 3, right?
Yeah, I don't think I have room for ones in the middle though. Then it'd be all the way to the end, and you won't have a tail.
Actually, you know, it might be better. You know why? Let me just give you my theory.
It'll be
here.
off the handboard tails.
No, I think it'll be better because these are gonna take the blunt force, and if these happen to break, you have all of these backup ones.
But
here.
look, watch this. Look how nice this is if it just has these. Watch. It goes with the concave.
I know, but
Like, look at how nice. Like, that would probably work so well.
right here, I got you.
Watch out, Dan.
That's why I don't do that.
So I think like this would work the best, but I think having more probably would be better for
I
a
agree.
thumbnail.
I completely agree with you.
But I really wish I could do it like that. I'm gonna screw these in.
Build this thing, and then we'll come back. All right, Dan, how's it going over here?
It's going great. This is gonna work very good probably. Like the tech deck board broke apart, and this ain't breaking apart.
Oh no? Oh yeah, that is pretty solid.
It's solid.
Wow.
And these boards are solid too.
Well, keep killing it, Dan. Good job. See this, Dan?
Check it out here.
Yes!
Shing.
Oh, that looks so good.
I tried to line it up as straight as I could, but I think it's like an S. Like some of them go, these are pointed that way, so when it rolls, it's kind of like this. But,
It's okay.
But you can still skate it. Oh no! Back to the garage.
No.
What happened? What?
No.
Why?
Oh, man.
Why did that happen?
Well, now you know what you have to fix.
I don't know. Why did they?
Back to the drawing boards, Dan. Well, they're made for hand skating, not standing on top of them.
You know, to be honest, I really thought it was gonna go a lot better. I don't know if that's a shock to anyone, but there's metal in these. They break right off.
Well, now at least you can straighten out those ones.
How do I make this so it doesn't break off?
All right, you guys. Dan is done with the hand skateboard. Can I see it before you destroy it? Check out this beautiful feat of construction art. What do you have to say, Dan?
I feel like everyone guess how long you think this is gonna last. I don't think it's gonna last as long as you think it's gonna last. I think it's gonna last 10 seconds.
Because literally everyone watching this video saw you step on it and break 2 trucks. So,
I might get broken after dropping in on this.
you know, the start of Braille skateboarding was Aaron almost getting his neck chopped off by a glass skateboard. And sometimes you have to take those risks.
I'd rather get my neck chopped off from a glass skateboard than from a handboard.
I don't think a handboard is gonna cut your neck off.
Just imagine how low that would be, like, from a handboard. Like a glass one, you're like, okay. But a handboard one, you're like, no, it's not cool.
Uzi Walker, 1990. What year were you born?
I don't even know.
Do you have any last words?
Let's get it.
Real quick, guys, just before you do this, hashtag notification squad. We will pick a winner to win a prize package from us to you. What do you think is gonna happen to Uzi right now? Leave it in the comment below. Uzi, you've been killing it with the builds, I gotta say. Your ideas, top of line, your builds, even topper on the line.
You know, this thing still has screws sticking out. When I dropped in with the tech deck board, it was literally like instantly almost dying. So I'm not looking forward to this, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Look, you can barely put that on there. It's literally on the tail of these. Tail on actual skateboards, not even on there. Oh no!
Great.
No, we're good. Whatever, I gotta kind of jump on.
Come on, Dan. Full send, show them how it's done.
Did it work? Still got all the wheels.
I gotta be realistic here. That went completely better than anything I imagined would have ever happened.
It's like hard to stay on.
You gotta roll away from it.
It rolls to the left. Did a wheel fly off?
Yeah.
Oh, one did.
Right there. Damage report. We have lost one single wheel.
It's all right. We got like 20 more.
It's okay.
You gotta remember it turns to the left. Yeah! Oh, that was definitely some wheels.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we lost
there's
another
one.
Where? Yeah, that's
One,
the other
two.
one.
There you go.
3, that's it.
That was
Actually
that
holding
was
in a lot
pretty
better
fun,
than I thought.
actually.
All right, Mowgli, go ahead, give it a shot. 50-50 drop in. Or 50-50, 50-50, 50-50, 50 drop in.
No, it's gonna break.
I'm feeling
You
it.
gotta go
I need
straight
to
for the
feel it.
drop. That's what I thought was gonna happen to me.
Body!
So good. Damn. Just took me to the side.
That seriously could have been one of the most impressive things I've ever seen.
Rock to fakie.
All right, how many have we lost? How many have we lost?
That whole truck, well, half of it. 1, 2, 3, 3.
It's all right.
One went backwards.
As long as we still got trucks and wheels, we will keep rolling.
If I don't land this one, I'm gonna start from flat. Uh-oh. It's that back piece, that's all. Oh!
Oh
One came out.
no. It's getting worse and worse.
We
I
also
think we
need
should
it.
kickflip it.
We could try to sketch the bike. What should we do? Sketch the bike?
The wall ride. Let's do this thing.
Can't even see. Dang, it looks so cool.
Coming through! Oh, lost one.
Dan, we should go faster.
We're losing wheels every time.
Round 2.
I think a piece. Oh, this is why, because the wheels broke while we were riding.
There was much more drag on that one. The other one was a lot more fluid.
These two wheels melted off.
How?
They get really hot.
Dude, what? Are they hot right now?
Like the metal pieces get super hot. Like look at, that's probably hot, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's, ow!
That is super hot.
Burnt, kind of.
That's super hot. Kickflip off?
Sure. It was actually going really nice till whatever broke off just broke off.
Do you guys want to see the skate park? Let me show you. Sneak peek. So if you look over there, we got the new thingamabobby, and that's the thingamajig. That's the doohickey, and the doop, and then we got the 3 stair. Oh, and then over there we got the and that's the dodo over there. So I hope you guys are excited. Kickflip off. You've never lost in a game of Rochambeau before.
Just lost 2 in a row.
Censor that out.
He's never lost? No. I won. That was great.
I also let them win that game of rock, paper, scissors, so it doesn't count.
Let me just tell you why I'm not gonna land this. It's because it's an 8.7-inch board. Oh, that's super tough.
Y'all act like you never skated a handboard skateboard.
Doesn't count.
There goes a wheel. Delicate.
Oh, okay. There. We're close. We're close. Oh!
Oh!
How did you get so close on that first one? What is the secret here?
You guys are skating it backwards.
I can't even get it to flick.
Oh, the lost the wheel. Uh-oh.
I thought it was gonna work.
Oh, okay. Let me back you up.
Get my back, Dan.
Oh! Sad. Where are we getting rid of that? Board. Oh, we lost the tail.
goodness,
We lost the
dude.
nose.
Oh, wow.
Yo, that is like heavy testament to how much these things can handle.
That's amazing.
Yes! Backside flip. It took the full force of a kickflip on a regular board to break one of these things. That's impressive.
want to try a tray flip.
Tray flip is like the deciding factor of whether this or the tech deck
Dude,
board is better.
this board, like this big of a board, is hard to tray flip like probably would normally is. What? Wow. What was that? No, that wasn't a tray flip. That's like a pressure. Dude, that's a pressure. Dude, that's not even tray flip. No way. That's a pressure.
There's like, I have a vivid memory. I used to play my friend carpet skate in my living room, and it was Christmas time, and I did a front side bigger spin, and it was the coolest thing I've ever done. Or it might have been backside, one of the two.
You want to do something, Gabe?
Yeah, I do. Oh, it's just like a carpet board.
Oh, that's not bad. All right, one more for the tray flip. Ah! I tried to tray flip.
Yeah, that was sick.
It's untray flippable.
Oh my god.
I tried 50, but
I wish we could be at Fremont right now, but we're literally getting rained out. It sucks. The weather this last 2 weeks has just been absolutely terrible. Oh my god. Body! I tried. You locked in on one of those tiny trucks. That could have been the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. I kid you not. It looks like he's balance boarding.
Smith, lip, board, things. That was crazy. The actual skateboard was like this. The handboard was like this. That would have been crazy. Wah!
Funny thing is that there's no consistency. You just go on there and hope for the best. Just like Uzi when he does that. Be careful with my bike.
I think I just gotta lean super to the side to surf it out. That was weird and cool. I have to do this for the gods. Ah, I tried leading that way. Still took me. Ah! No! My foot!
That could be an issue.
Let's put it back in the truck. What? I feel like now I have to lean a little more back.
What'd I say? For the love.
I just got the best filming ever on that, dude.
Yes.
All right, well,
That was amazing.
bye.
Damage report.
It looks like there's actual, like,
We have
sick.
one,
Two.
no,
wait, trucks
one
or
actual like truck and wheel combo.
That's it.
One single truck, but
This-
one, two,
wait,
three,
this
four.
one?
Oh,
Kind of.
Eh.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
yeah.
Two.
So we got 2 full trucks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wheels left.
I consider that a success. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And what awesome skateboard creation should Uzi build next? We'll leave it right down there in the comments below. And we'll see you tomorrow.